Within the app, to view all of your CPD entries, simply go to the home screen dashboard and then select Entries. Once all your entries have loaded up, you have a simple search option at the top where you can search for your diary entries, where you can search just for your reflective entries, where you can search all of your entries that are both complete or incomplete. And then you also have a search option where you can search for a particular entry that contains a specific title. If you want more of a search function or you want to see your entries in more details, you can access the mobile website. To access the mobile website, simply go to the home page, select your profile at the top right hand side, and then select Access your CPD dashboard. You then need to go to cpdme.com. When you go to cpdme.com, click the Members Sign In option. You then have several options. You can log in via your email and password, or you can select the mobile app option. When you select the mobile app option, within your mobile app, now select the Access CPD dashboard. This allows you to scan the QR code and log into your online version of the website. Once you scan the QR code, this allows you to see the online web version of all of your CPD entries on your dashboard. If you have any questions or you want to contact support, please use the email below or contact us via WhatsApp.